Use cases and the use case designer are the core element of Data Stream Designer. This video will demonstrate the process of creating and publishing a use case. To start, click the New Use Case button in the sidebar to open the New Use Case blade. Alternatively, you can click the Use Case button to access the Use Case blade, then click the New command. Once here, fill in the details of your use case. Name a description and help identify your use case and its purpose. Clicking the blank icon field lets you upload a unique or thematic image for the use case, or you can leave it blank and a default icon will be used. Assigning a category helps you group your use cases. Default collection will determine the initial collection assigned to your stream objects, which will be described in more detail later on. When you are done, click Save. This will save your new use case and open the Designer blade. Once you have an existing use case, you can navigate to this Designer blade from the Welcome page by clicking on the category, then the use case. Alternatively, click the Use Case button on the sidebar to access the Use Case blade, then search for and click on your use case. The details of your use case can be edited after its creation by clicking the Properties command on the Designer blade. Notably, attempting to change the default collection will offer you the choice of retroactively applying your selection to all existing stream objects. Additionally, the metadata field is available. This lets you assign tags to your use case, which can be helpful in further categorizing your use cases and searching through them from the category dashboard. The Designer blade is where you build your data stream. The bar on the left is the agent toolbox. Searching for and dragging items from here will allow you to create stream objects, which make up your data stream. Each agent has a specific purpose, which is described in their documentation. For now, we will create stream objects from the event simulator and event printer agents. The simulator will constantly generate data events for the stream, and the printer will display the events it receives in the console window of the stream host. The stream objects must be connected so data can flow between them. The green boxes on the bottom of the stream object represent outputs, while the green boxes on the side of a stream object represent inputs. Most agents have one output and one input, but some have more or less. In these cases, the documentation for the agent will describe how each input or output is used. Red outputs are special error event outputs, but they will be described in another video. For now, it is enough to know that the event simulator has one real data output. Click and drag the output of the event simulator to the input of the event printer. This arrow represents a connection between these stream objects which data flows through. Stream objects can be rearranged by dragging their icon, or renamed by clicking their name. Clicking and selecting a stream object will allow you to delete it by clicking the Delete command. You can also access its configuration by clicking the Configuration command, or by double-clicking the object. Each agent has its own configuration, which is, again, better described in their own documentation. The Configuration blade also allows you to change the stream object's collection, affecting which stream hosts it will run on. Click the Apply button to pass the changed configuration back to the designer, and then the Save button to save the changes. However, newly created objects cannot be configured. If you try, you will get a warning reminding you to save your stream first and try again. In similar ways, connections can be selected and deleted. They can also be dragged from either end to delete the existing connection and recreate it with a different stream object. Finally, now that the stream has been set up and the agents configured, we can publish the use case by clicking the Publish command. This will run the data stream on any stream host assigned to the collection. I have a stream host running here, and the event printer is printing the data as it flows through. Publishing a stream will prevent any changes from being saved to the designer, to prevent altering and possibly causing errors in a running stream. If you want to edit or update the data stream, it must first be unpublished by clicking the Unpublish command, which will stop the running stream on the stream host. This has been how to create and publish a use case in Data Stream Designer. Thank you for watching.